Welcome, friends, to the world of artificial intelligence, and congratulations for taking this first step by registering the course. This course explores fundamentals of AI and also will provide you enough hands on experience with actual practical examples. I'm excited to be your host on this journey. I wish you great journey and success. Thank you. In this particular module, I would like to build the context. I would like to set the base and build that frame of mind so that all of us are on the same page about exactly what are we going to do. To begin with, we are going to understand the mind-blowing scope and potential of AI. We'll compare AI with traditional software building methods. We will also examine some real-life examples where AI is at work. And also, we'll just take a sneak peek around inner workings of AI. Let's talk about why AI matters. Why should you care about AI? For that, I would like you to picture this. Every single industry sector out there, every single company is trying to rapidly integrate AI into their workflows, creating lots of opportunities to grow. Why miss out? You don't need years of programming experience to start with AI. After all, it is more closer to math and theory than programming. Don't get me wrong, there is programming involved for sure, but I believe anyone can do that much. Let me emphasize further and provide you with a broader perspective of the scale of AI integration. The industries mentioned on the screen are just a few examples, and as you can see, each one of them is like a giant in themselves. However, the opportunities for AI integration spans across numerous sectors, presenting vast potential to revolutionize various aspects of our world.
By now, you should have a rough idea about the enormous potential of AI opportunities out there. Let's explore some of the examples about how various industries are putting artificial intelligence to work. Here are a few examples. Companies are using chatbots for customer service. I'm sure each one of us have experienced that. In the energy sector, AI is being used to streamline energy management and grid operations. The gaming industry is enhancing player experiences by incorporating AI generated contents. These examples highlight just a fraction of possibilities AI brings. People often ask how AI differs from traditional software development. Here is the gist. Traditional software follows preset rules and acts predictably. As compared to AI learns, adapts to the changing environment, and learns from the new data without any human intervention. It makes decisions based on the new data. It can handle complex tasks intelligently. We mentioned AI systems have the ability to learn, adapt, and make decisions based on the data and experience. To reinforce this point, here are a few examples with AI at work. Notice how system understood the context of the request and responded sensibly. Notice word apple. Here, ability to deduce the context and generation of response tailored to the given context is artificial intelligence. In the first example, request is tell me something about latest Apple processor. And system understood that question is about Apple company's devices and not the fruit. If you look at the second example, tell me something about nutrition found in apple. Here, system appropriately identifies apple as a fruit and then responds accordingly. about the nutritions. So one thing is for sure, that there is some kind of a persistence layer in the back end for system to be able to make such intelligent decisions. However, there is no exact such request stored in the database for system to pull out predefined preset response. Here, what we are witnessing is basically a trained model, AI model, which is trained across trillions of documents ahead of time. And then it has built its knowledge base, and now it has learned how to understand the context of the word in the sentence, its position, and then it has built knowledge base such that it can answer such questions intelligently. We're going to take a peek at how could something respond so intelligently. In this slide, I want to give you a very high level view of how things work. This is a rough idea. It's not exact, but you will get the gist of it. Imagine a system which goes through trillions of documents, parses them out, learns about each sentence, each word, position of the word in the sentence, and then stores it in some kind of a database. Normally, such operation takes many hours, many days, and consumes huge amount of computing power. At the end of it, it comes up with a trained model. And in the persistence layer, system not only stores the values, like each word itself, it also stores its proximity as compared to other words and the frequency count. Like in previous example, Apple word also appears with processor and computer, and then in another dimension and around fruits, you could see apple as well. Now, depending on the words in that area which are appearing in the sentence, it could technically make a judgment about what is the context of the question or request. And it is a very high dimensional matrix and very complex map, which is difficult to imagine. Congratulations on completing first module of AI course. This is just the beginning, and we are just scratching the surface. I hope you got some appreciation for enormous potential of AI integration and appreciation of value addition by AI. There are many interesting concepts and practical examples ahead. Stay tuned. Thank you.